Diamonds are the hardest substances in nature, and people prize them as gemstones because they are brilliant and beautiful. In this report, I will explain what diamonds are, how people discover them, and why they are so significant and valuable. A diamond is a type of rock, a gemstone, and one of the hardest natural materials on Earth. This also means that they do not scratch easily and last a long time. Diamonds sparkle in the light, which is why people think they're beautiful. Diamonds are found deep underground, and miners have to dig big holes to reach them. However, some diamonds are also found in riverbeds, sand, and rocks. Once the diamonds are found, people wash them and cut them into shapes. Cutting diamonds makes them even shinier. Diamonds are valuable because their sparkle never changes over time. Also, many people like jewelry made with diamonds, such as rings and necklaces. Diamonds can also help cut other materials because they are so hard. Diamonds are special stones that are both beautiful and useful. They sparkle brightly, they are very strong, and people use them in many different ways. That is why diamonds are some of the most valuable treasures found in nature. People have valued gold for thousands of years. It is a yellow metal that occurs in nature in pure form, so early humans could easily discover and use it. In this essay, I will explain what gold is, how people get it, and why it is important and valuable. People began using gold in ancient times, which is why we can still see gold items in museums around the world today. Because pure gold is soft, it is easy to shape and can be made into many forms. This makes it ideal for jewelry, decorations, and coins, and kings and queens used them for their crowns as well. Gold became even more valuable during the famous gold rushes in places like California, when people hurried there after new discoveries, hoping to become rich. Gold is found in rocks, and miners work very hard to collect it. It is usually found in small, hard-to-see amounts, especially when it occurs in rocks with other metals, such as copper and lead. In some places, gold gathers in larger deposits where rocks have worn away over time. Gold can also wash into streams and rivers, where people search for it by panning. Today, miners use large machines and specialized tools to extract gold from the earth. Gold is important for many reasons. People have made beautiful jewelry from it for thousands of years. Since gold is soft, it is often mixed with other metals to make it stronger. Gold is also used in electronics because it carries electricity very well. It is even used on satellites and spacesuits to reflect sunlight and heat. Gold has also been used as money. In the past, it was made into coins, and today countries keep gold bars in vaults to store wealth. Gold is more than just a shiny metal. Since ancient times, it has been valued for jewelry, decorations, and coins. Today, it is also used in electronics, satellites, and spacesuits. Gold continues to be one of the most valuable materials on Earth. Did you know that copper was the first metal humans used to make tools? Copper is a natural reddish-brown metal that people have used for thousands of years. It is sometimes found on its own in nature, so early people discovered and used it. In this report, I will explain what copper is, how people get it, and why it is important. According to historical records, people may have been using copper as early as 10,000 years ago. By about 6,500 BCE, people learned how to turn copper into tools and objects. Then, as humankind evolved, so did the use of copper. They learned how to melt it and mix it to make bronze. This discovery led to an important era in history called the Bronze Age, when people began using bronze to make better tools, sharper weapons, and jewelry, which marked the start of early civilizations. Copper is usually found combined with other elements in rocks called copper ores. Some common copper ores include chalcopyrite and malachite. Miners extract copper ore from the ground using large machines. Then the ore is crushed and heated so the copper can be separated from the other materials. This process helps produce pure copper that can be shaped into wires, pipes, and other useful items. Copper is important because it is one of the best metals for electrical wires, motors, and electronics. This is because it makes heat and electricity travel through it easily. Copper is also used in plumbing pipes because it does not rust easily. It can also be mixed with other metals to make bronze or brass, which are used to make tools, instruments, and decorations. Copper has played an important role in human history, from the first metal tools to the wires that carry electricity today. It is strong, useful, and found in many parts of daily life. Because of its many uses, copper continues to be one of the most important natural resources on Earth.